a little bit of a marketplace street right here. So we'll be walking down that way. Let's see if we can show you what's around here. There's a temple behind me as well. Let's see if I can show you that. There's a bunch of bamboo up there, and there's some temple that we can't quite see because it's too dark. But we're gonna go down this one, and I also want to show you this car that's I'll show you in a minute. Go check out the road. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. So this is going to be our target street. Before we go down, I just want to show you something real quick. I just walked by this one, and it's not, there's a car down here that's has a orange, that's a temple. So that's the temple that you can't really see very well in the dark. So what I'm going to do is just kind of show you this one thing before we go down our market street. This car has a cool little alleys everywhere. So they locked up this car. So I don't know if that person is the person that runs it or not. But that one is has little clamps on it right now. So I don't know. I think if they you get like a two hour thing to pay or to park there, and then if you don't, then they'll lock it up. I saw a little clamp there, but I think that guy sitting on the street, I want to talk about that too. That guy in the street, that might be his car, and he might be calling somebody right now. These are flood guards. So we just had 2 typhoons come in last week. So those typhoons, those are for flooding, and they're all over the city. So you can see, here's some other ones here too, but they've taken them down already. Okay, so this is our target street. It's kind of a market street as well. Oh, this is like this Hong Kong style restaurants right in here. Looks like it's a Hong Kong style. Could be wrong. So we're coming into this little market. Got some towels, things like that. Kind of quiet. It is about 8 o'clock at night, so I believe that this closes. You can also go down all the way down to these ones as well. So yeah, this street is it's dark that way. Looks like they're all kind of closing down right now. There's another street too. Shoes. Yeah, I think the bigger market is across the street. But you can see some of them are still opening right here too. Oh yeah, you can see a lot more down that way. It's kind of a cool little apartment. Let's go just across the street. Looks like they're kind of closing down now. A little bit Indonesia mart. So yeah, it looks like, I think it's about 8 o'clock right now, so it's kind of a nice alleys too. I like the lighting. I like being in these urban environments like Macau. Urban explorers. Marketplace. Just kind of go like this. It's kind of cool. So now we can see our streets right there. I think it's Brás Rosa. Here lies around Brás Rosa Street. I was on Brás Rosa Street recently. In the daytime, I think a little bit different. So there it is right there. Rua de Brás de Rosa. So I have a nice one where I was walking around the daytime just very, very recently. I didn't realize I was on the same street. I don't know how it looks at nighttime. It might not be quite as interesting as the daytime. Tea water. Okay. Got these little shopping mall places. Brás e Rosa. We come up to a main street right there. I think we might just end it right there. And that's Brás e Rosa at nighttime. And I guess we'll end it right there too.
Chiquinha, Chiquinha.
Go check out the room. Oh, hey guys. 3 things. Like, subscribe, make some comments below. It'll really help out my channel. Alright.
Chiquinha, Chiquinha. Toma cuidado da bovidinha.